In today's fast-changing industrial world, performance, reliability, and safety depend on real-time insights. Our IoT platform continuously tracks key machine parameters, vibration, temperature, pressure, and power consumption. The SIAGE dashboard provides engineers with instant, real-time access to performance metrics and alerts across all connected assets. Our proactive maintenance system instantly alerts teams to potential issues, minimizing downtime and preventing costly failures. Automated alerts powered by AI ensure no anomaly goes unnoticed, enabling quick decisions and automated responses. Our system turns maintenance from reactive to predictive, detecting subtle deviations and enabling customers to make proactive decisions. With actionable insights and advanced analytics, SIAGE empowers organizations to make smarter, data-driven decisions. From energy to manufacturing, SIAGE remote condition monitoring is redefining reliability and efficiency across industries. SIAGE Solutions, where technology meets intelligence, transforming possibilities into performance.